Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about hand embroidery designs and ideas. Hand embroidery is lovely art. It is simple, relaxing and very creative. You can decorate clothes, pillow covers, table covers, bags and many other things with embroidery. Let's explore some beautiful and easy handmade embroidery designs. First, floral embroidery designs. Flowers are the most popular embroidery pattern. You can stitch small flowers or big roses. Simple flowers with green leaves look fresh and elegant. You can use bright colors like red, pink, yellow or soft pastel colors. Floral embroidery looks beautiful on dresses, kurtis or dupattas. Second, leaf and vine designs. These designs are simple and perfect for beginners. You can make small leaves around the neckline or on sleeves. Vine patterns look very stylish on borders. Green thread with small white flowers looks very soft and classy. Next, we have mirror work embroidery. This design includes small mirrors stitched into the fabric. It looks very traditional and beautiful. Mirror work is popular in authentic wear and festive dresses. You can combine mirror work with colorful thread for a bright look. Another idea is geometric embroidery designs. These designs use simple shape like lines, triangles and circles. They look modern and neat. Geometric patterns are perfect for cushion covers and table runners. You can use one color for a simple look or mix colors for a bold style. Now let's talk about basic embroidery stitches. If you are a beginner, start with easy stitches like running stitching, back stitch and chain stick. These stitches are simple but very useful. With just these stitches, you can create many beautiful patterns. Satin stitches is perfect for filling flowers and shapes. It gives a smooth and neat finish. French knots are small round stitches that look like teeny dots. They are perfect for flower centers and small details. Hand embroidery is not only beautiful but it is also relaxing. It helps reduce stress. Many people enjoy embroidery as a hobby in their free time. You only need fabric, thread, needle and a embroidery hook. You can choose cotton fabric for easy stitching. Use good quality thread for better results. Always keep your stitches neat and even. Practice makes you better. Thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.